Councillor Lutterodt enso abekasa nam eye ade a ye Shatta mame eye no Councillor Patrick say Ghana forma ema ne bi niema ye nya bayi ni ma ye ntie what say owo baba bra owo baba wiase a asemo enso aya metaka se owo ba eba wiase a hwa akwala ne manyanya baby pangira nemo emfa wakoma endi akwala na chi se made nyina ne da chi na aba benyi ahwe me da chi ko school behwe me da bi sebe sa de na aba time fa na se Ghana fo maame fo ye no sebe ye nkrasesem kakra enye by force se yawo nkwala na ba wiase nti chinchina nkwala no wo mu ni bi kra wo mu hwe nempo akwala bi ne pay nya 1500 e wo Ghana memo na so diabetes e dura wo toma ne maame bosome no e bro sa ne pay ni so this nonsense must stop e Lutterodt neka wo say this nonsense must stop Ghana form maame fo no yenda sebe sankra sesem na wo ye nempo se ne papa yare ne e friend se ne papa yare na ne yire so enya ticket ko Dubai ko fa niema ba Lutterodt say wallahi wo discard be ma na ira ko Dubai aba ma ne papa ewu eh Mr. Fa comment bra asem ya no aide wo discard be ma na ira ako Dubai ko fa niema ba o papa wo be wu awu enti Ghana fo maame fo do sebe sade na ye no e wo se ye giant Shatta maame ni a obedo ntuma kru ho be ye no wabo musio betna se na pagana fo na oba Shatta chew enye by force se Shatta wo sika dan makra no wo se wo ma obia mother you don't have a choice wow Shatta na Lutterodt na eka only choice ja oba na life man wonya bia won fa mbre wundi wonya bia mesraw won so bomode na ko paduma biye this is serious Lutterodt na eka foto de ma Ghana fo maame fo mi say ma fa bia to mi koto dwom ne mu odin mi sire nyankopon se wo mama hode am ne be ye adwuma me ye mmere ana da chi makodi man ne bebre afimi ma na nkwala no so wo mo so ba ko fa ma ahwom no mo so abom bra ma yenti Lutterodt emra sisia.
Look, let's be honest. Shatta Wale's mother, she's misbehaving. Whether you raise Shatta Wale well or you didn't raise him well, there is no blessing of a mother that makes any child proper. Quote me everywhere. I repeat, my mother has no blessing for me.
Biblically,
socially, physically, there's nothing in a woman that gives any child a blessing.
Power FM.
There's everything in a father that makes a child. The survival of Shatta Wale is because he has associated with the father, and God will never stop blessing him. Number two, the thing Shatta Wale mother is saying, is it the responsibility of Shatta? It is only a poor, stupid parent that demands their children to take care of them. Quote me everywhere, I don't care. Me, my father. My father. I will never give to what belongs to my children to my father. I am not sick. If my father is sick today and they want what, and my wife want to travel to Dubai, I give the money to my wife to go to Dubai, go and chill. My father will die. I will bury my father. My father is listening. This is his station. He's listening.
Counselor, are you saying say and you say papa? Is that what you are trying to say?
It is not your responsibility to take care of your parents. It's only poverty and shame. I brought take it to a school. Now send your employer no SYZ. See, you man employment. You see, can do some beer. We have 6,000. 6,000 or the 4,000 thought that means the draw. BP draw and my man papa. That's how I stupidity. Sekebi and the common papa be and the Kojin Shila. We tap in their blessing. It is not our responsibility. Say when we school, who am I atakwa me demu on serious or show when we same. I'm a woman who atakwa me die and a block that I am paying some.
Because like don't you think say yeah society no? As someone can maybe it might work out there.
It's working everywhere.
No, but Counselor, mommy abomoding.
Why they?
Ashe.
Why they?
Abomoding.
Why they?
Abomoding.
Hey, what them?
Titi more remu.
Now when the swan a war.
See,
why the swan a war?
It's what do I am.
Counselor,
don't you also do the same for your mom?
Yeah, wait,
Who am I?
Edru bra.
Who am I to my mom?
Oh yeah, neba.
Who am I to my mom?
Neba.
Who am I to my mom?
Neba.
Will I die as a mother or a father?
It's a son.
I will forever die as a child. So I tell every father, never spend your all in raising your children. Spend some and build a proper legacy for yourself. Listen, Bible says that for a father leaves a legacy for the children's children.
System yi gasi.
Sammy,
no mu the show mu ma.
Sammy. People pan to assassin will because of my school until Jimmy for. If my father refused to buy a land because of my school fees, he's a stupid father, and I will grow to insult him. So Debbie make say, if you grow and your father is a certain counselor Lutterodt, don't thank your father. Thank your mother that she gave herself to a certain counselor Lutterodt. If you grow and your father is a certain Kobe Jimmy maybe, know that your mother gave herself to Kobe Jimmy, and to be catch him so be name of bring pon shasia oboa because obaya sit me who bring pon.
Controversial statement when a counselor Lutterodt or the Ababonte. Nano no see owie. Afiansa Shatta Wale ne maame nia oye no oba keka na adwen akira no.
Bomodi ohia na maame bedi na be hwe no na wa bre pa wo. What sort of case is this? And that is what Shatta Wale's mother is doing. Who is she? Who is she? Can she get a husband to marry her? Is Shatta the husband? Is Shatta Wale the husband of Shatta Wale?
Mami die no ye papa otimi kofa a legend like
excuse me.
Yeah,
excuse me. If she's really serious that the brand of Shatta Wale was birthed by her, what she's doing is he keeping the brand or destroying the brand? If you are telling us that Shatta Wale's brand is by your prayer and your effort, what you are doing is it building Shatta's brand or destroying the brand? That every time we want to discuss this guy, we discuss that the mother has said this.
Negative.
What nonsense is that? Is she sick? Is she sick?
She's sick. That's why she's sick.
Is she sick mentally? Is Shatta Wale the brother and the sister? Where are the siblings? Where are the siblings? What is it? You are fortunate that your womb has produced a boy like this.
Who is given to other people? Who is given to other people? But
so the blessing in where he's given is what is keeping him. Shut up, because anybody who gives your parent, you tap a blessing from them. And I'm saying this on record. My father listens to your station. If my father is sick and any of my children are sick, I'll take care of them and leave my father. The brothers of my father should come and take care of their brother. She is a mother. We understand. Shatta has never denied that this is my mother, and it's on record that Shatta Wale waye nyama ense so ye na so waye amena, just so that the brand no enye dented. Who say papa na mabontina ni ho ayefia, you blame me. Those are gone are the days. But after understanding this policy, papa want it in nam ha, you can't blame me. Blame his brothers. It is not any child's responsibility to take care of the parent, but it is a blessing
in this case
to go and tap from their blessings. Asa.
And in this case, what advice will you give to Shatta Wale, and what advice will you give to the mother?
Shatta Wale doesn't need any advice. He should continue practicing what he's practicing. That is making him comfortable. And the mother should look for a husband to marry. Or
at this age.
But people, Gifty Auntie's mother-in-law, was this 84 or something? She got married. What was the secret? What was the secret? What was the secret?
The woman is about 70 years.
What? She was 74, but she got married.
No, Counselor, my minute be 70 years old.
80. Me manu options.
Counselor Lutterodt Sakasa, one also there. Sometimes a prophecy, it will come to pass. A queen makra.